A very good morning. It's Mark. Friday, September the 12th, 7:40 a.m. Eastern, 11:40 GMT. 20 minutes till the US session gets started. Let's have a look how the market's shaping up this morning. US dollar index, I've got support at 97.07. Again, that support level has been tested. I've got resistance at 97.39. Green candlestick for now, US dollar on the front foot to start. Let's zoom in on that hourly. And there you can see it's tested higher and lower. But this hour, green candlestick buyers looking up at the 97.39 resistance level going into the US Open. Let's have a look at the S&P. And that's following two really strong record days we've had. Wednesday and Thursday. Today, hanging around that resistance level. I've got resistance 66.49. I've got support at 66.31. Tested lower. If I go to the hourly, tested lower, fighting its way back, sitting in the middle of the range for now. Bear in mind it's still a good almost 2 hours until Wall Street opens. So we're looking at the futures market. And once US session gets underway and then Wall Street opens up, we'll see whether the demand continues for US equities because it was across the board and whether this resistance can be challenged. Alternatively, a turnaround and sellers look down at the 6,631 support level. Commodities, looking at gold. Gold looking strong, been hanging around the resistance area for the past 4 days. Hasn't broken above or tested from 4 days ago the record high, but sellers haven't been able to really make much of a move lower. Support 3,629, resistance 3,658. Green candlestick to start during the Asian and European session. Buyers will be looking up at that resistance level. Sellers, of course, looking down at the support 3,629. And gold could well take its cue from the performance of the US dollar. Let's have a look at Brent oil. The start of the Asian session last night, oil was sold off, support at $65.82, but you can see a strong fight back through the European session, all the way up to resistance sitting right now at 67.50. I had the ascending and descending trend line drawn in at the start of the session, tested lower, and now testing the descending trend line at the 67.50 level. Oil looking strong and will be looking to challenge the 67.60 resistance area. Again, we'll see how that plays out once the US session gets underway. And today's strong move up at this point has been enough for the EMAs to cross to the upside on the daily. Bitcoin. Bitcoin did test higher earlier. We've had a strong run from Bitcoin, strong uptrend, resistance at 116.4 thousand. I've got support at 114.8 thousand. So it's already tested higher. Coming down right now. Let's just have a look at the hourly. There you can see the early test in the Asian going into the European session has come down now and hanging around the support level. Sellers will be looking to break below this 114.8 thousand, looking down at 114,000, whereas buyers will be looking up at this early intraday resistance set at 116.4 thousand. If I just go back to the daily, Bitcoin has been strong. Buyers will be looking up at this 116,000 and possibly even the 117,000, the previous resistance level. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I'll see you at the end of day session.